All right, everybody, welcome back. We are going to go over our spelling words, and this is our mini lesson for our spelling words for the week of 10/19 and 10/26. We will have a spelling test on 10/29. All right, so here we go. What we're going to do is we're working on decoding and encoding words with diphthongs. And remember, we had talked about diphthongs and what they are. And they refer to a speech sound in which the position of the mouth changes or glides from one place to another as the sound is produced. Okay, we are going to look at the diphthongs OU, spelled OU and OW. OU sound like an out, ow, hear that out, okay? And OW sound like in ow. Okay, so they make the same sound, but they are spelled differently. And our job in spelling is to figure out when we have to spell it with an OU or an OW because they make the same sounds. Okay? So the OU is typically found in the beginning or middle of the syllable, and the OW is typically found in the end of the syllable. Scowl. Okay, so that's at the beginning, and then bounce. Okay, usually at the end of the syllable. All right, we're also going to be looking at diphthongs OI as in oil, oi. Okay, you're hearing that oi sound, so that's what we're looking for. And spelled OY like in oi. Okay, same sound, but our job is to figure out where we have to put that OI and whether the word is spelled with an OI or an OY. OI is typically found in the beginning or middle of the syllable, and the OY is typically found at the end of the syllable. Example, poison and voyage, looking at those syllables. And that is a technique that you can use in order to spell your words, is you can put them in syllables and then you can spell them out based on their syllables. All right, our next thing that we're going to do is we already played our diphthong song. This is our word list. So I wanted to go over the word list for you guys. Remember, we should be spelling our words at least 5 minutes every night. Okay, the 29th we will have this group of words tests on it, and they will be in sentences. And I will do some words at the bottom, just spelling words. Okay, our first word, and we're going to read across, is poison. Frown, crown, avoid, choice, brown, appoint, annoy, down, prowl, thousand, brow, growl, boil, proud, employ, scowl, voyage, town, sprout, amount, shower, bounce, hour. Okay, let's go ahead and say those words together with me. Poison, frown, crown, avoid, choice, brown, appoint, annoy, down, prowl, thousand, brow, growl, boil, proud, employ, scowl, voyage, town, sprout, amount, shower, bounce, hour. All right, so you guys should be saying those words. And again, we're looking for that O-I, oi sound, spelled O-I or O-Y. And then we're looking for that O-U and O-W for ow, the ow sound, spelled O-U or O-W. Okay? So again, our job is to figure out those sounds and what letters to write for those sounds in these words. And we will have our spelling test on the 29th of October. So keep studying and keep spelling good. Thank you.